What do you think of that comparison? Do you mind?
I've been compared to many things. I think we've worked effectively together. It's been a remarkable journey for 4 years. Every economic decision that has been taken, I suppose we've discussed, and largely we've come to consensus in relation to it. But you can characterise a relationship in any way you like.
So it doesn't bother you?
If I was to be bothered by all the things that are said about me, particularly on social media, I wouldn't get out of bed in the morning.
Is it difficult to see, negative comments about yourself online, or do you just try and avoid it?
I try to avoid it. People protect me from it, particularly in the beginning, because there's weird people out there, really weird people, and the anonymity of some of the, the capacity to make comments allows people to say things not only about politicians, about sports people, about anybody in the public eye, that has changed things.